welcome back to another video. My name is Patrice. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to leave a like on the video, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and you can always leave a comment down below. Alright, so today I will be doing an unboxing. It's a little small package, nothing big. My son grandfather passed away, so I was just getting some stuff for the funeral, so I just wanted to come and do a little unboxing video and show you guys what I got from Shein. So we'll go in at the package. Alright, so first, why this mash up so? No, sir. Alright, we're just finish mash it up because the box look away. Alright, so cute sandal. Whoa, I love it. I love it. I am loving it. It's gold and black. Cute. Let's see if it fits. Right size. Alright, Shein. You're gonna feel my panda one day. Let's see what else we got. Got this cute little purse thingy. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Material feel kinda whatever, you know, cheap. But some of that's the bag. The bag. Cute. I love it. And although it feels flimsy, the material kind of feel, but it's still cute. It go with the sandal. See, black and it go together, and it come with this thingy. So that's that. Oh, I buy some little what do you call this, toenail thing, cause my try to get back my toenail natural, cause I don't like what happen with my toenail, so that me got from Shein. And what is? Oh, I think this is one anklet. Yeah, I think. Yeah, anklet. I got to go that far. And this is eyebrow cream. Let's see what it looks like. Guys, might try to move fast because I don't know why the phone them nowadays them just easy for not a space. So just put up one little, you start the video, it actually say it want more space. I don't know, but let's see how this look. Oops. Come with a little thing here, and this is the box. Oh, my bad. This is the box. It look like you don't want to come outside. And this is it. It's black door, but let's see what the one they work out. What else we have? And we have woman business. I'm not sure now. I'll show you what it is. I'll buy one little something. Just roll up the flooper. What am I talking about? Fupa, the belly. You know? Catch is long though. But but this is it. But I still want to have something kinda, you know? Yeah, I know. Girl, go work out soon. Soon and very soon. Oh, this is a watch. Ooh, I love it. It's cute. I like it. I like it bad. See? That's that. I'm not seeing a car, boy. What is it? Oh, I guess it's the lip thingy. I did purchase a lipstick like, I don't know, but then me just said the color like this here and I'm eating at it. So let's see. Not bad. I am a natural girl. Me not love the bag of fangle them for me, my body. And I like it. And me get them here, nipple patch. Cause the dress that me I go wear, it doesn't require me to wear a bra because the back kinda open up at the shoulder part this so I'm not going in a bra. Oh my god, these cute earrings. Oh, they're cute. I don't know where the back the gun for that, you know. Look at me glass. Oh no, the back in here. So these are the earrings. So they look upon me. I not even know why me I go with earring because the ear cell me do I mean now get it. So I think one more something left. Oh, what is? I guess it's a one necklace. It's a one necklace. I think I never show one of the anklets, you know, but this is a one necklace. I think I want 3-piece something. After the video, I go figure it out. I forgot to look on Shein. I think I eat this. But yeah, this is it. It's cute. It's cute. I love it. I think that's it for the package. I think I'm missing nothing. Don't think I'm missing anything, you all. I want to be consistent with my video, but yeah, it's done. But I'm trying to get a phone where I can have more storage because my phone that I have, it's an A10 Samsung A10s. Yeah, me know whole phone, whatever, I know. But I'm trying to get another phone so I can do my videos and my vlogs. But at the moment now, I'm using what I've got. Yeah, so I maybe put a picture on this to show you guys how I look after I put all these stuff together. Yeah, maybe put that on the what do you call it, girl, you know what I'm talking, the intro pic or whatever. May put it on there. But yeah, I think that's it for the video. Again, don't forget to leave a like on the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend to come over here and vibe with Patrice. What are you waiting for? I love you all. Thank you for the support. Goodbye.